Welcome. In this lecture in linear data analysis, we'll begin our exploration of artificial neurons. These are the elements of an artificial neural network. The main concepts for this lecture are we'll explore a biological inspiration, which is a particular kind of nerve cell. We'll view these as performing a computation that involves a hyperplane, and we'll use augmented vectors instead of the usual vectors that we've been using. We'll observe that neural networks use binary classes of 0 and 1, unlike the +1 -1 convention that is used elsewhere in machine learning and data analysis. One problem that we can think of as we go through this lecture is how can we model a neuron? Well, neural modeling as I understand it started in 1943 with McCulloch and Pitts. They were modeling a particular kind of nerve cell that's called a pyramidal neuron, and it's found in the neocortex of certain vertebrates. This is the cell body, and emanating from the cell body are these tree-like structures that are called dendrites. And electrically, or electrophysiologically, these act as inputs. And so electrical activity will begin at the synapses, and then it will flow towards the cell soma, or body. And when it strikes a physiological structure that's called the axon hillock, when that voltage exceeds a certain threshold value, the neuron will fire. And McCulloch and Pitts referred to this as the neural activity. And this output goes, in this case, along an axon. And here we're showing a myelinated axon. And this is myelinated or electrically insulated when the axon is many times the length of the cell body. So this is the basic biological inspiration for the computational model that we'll call an artificial neuron.